Hi, you're looking at my desktop here, and I'm going to open. I've got a bunch of applications on my chief architect and home designer on my computer from Home Designer Pro trial 2024 and then 2023 trials on architectural and suite and chief architect all the way back to X1. Yeah, X1 about year 2001 long in there. So anyway, that's where I'm coming from. Now, yeah, I don't have currently on my computer Home Designer or whatever it is you have, but let me just show you something. Okay, here's Home Designer Suite. And you go up to Tools, and right there, display options. Eureka. Common as dirt. I'm going to close this.
A far off look. Okay. That's disturbing.
And we'll go to the next one. Architectural. Yeah. Home Designer Architectural. And
food item requests for HEB.
We'll go to Tools. Display options. There's display options for architectural.
Kill it with fire.
What next one up is Home Designer Pro 2024. Yeah, it's newer than yours, but it's not that different. And this little icon right here, that's the display options.
Is it?
Layer display options. And also you can go to it from Tools, display options.
Not the board wonders, Father.
I'm going to close this.
It follows the same line of my jaw, so it looks like I have a huge fucking chin, which makes me look more like someone named Chad.
Or Jay Leno.
Yeah.
There we go.
So funny.
Next up is Chief Architect X2 from the year 2007. Again, it's got a Tools,
thing of eggs for me.
Oh yeah.
display settings, display options. That's more like what I was describing. Yeah, I don't have
eggs yet.
the same applications as you, but they're all quite similar. Okay, I'm going to close this one.
No.
And then I've got X7 about
8 eggs
7 years ago. And again, it's got Tools.
I mean, for lunch.
Oh.
Layer display options. Display options.
It's a Tuesday.
And also with Pro, you got an icon like this. And you put your cursor over it, and it'll tell you that it's display options. You click on it, and there's your layer display options.
That sounds like me. I have to
Dialog.
apply a great deal of force.
And something else about layer display options.
And I'm able to.
This is just the one for plan view. And all of these look identical, but there's one for each camera type when you're actively using that camera type. And including elevations and so forth. So there's 11 different layer display options, dialogues. And they're all accessible either through an icon that looks like this in Pro or in Chief, or you can go any application, Home Designer or Chief Premier. You can go to Tools and go to display options. That's the way it is. Hope this helps you guys. Thank you. I'm out of here.
Shit.